guys, this is Finn here. Hopefully you can hear me. I just put my microphone from my gaming headset onto this GoPro, so I hope it's coming out clear. But anyway, I wanted to test out an LED bulb that I got from Amazon, and it's installed on the bike right now, and I'm a little bit disappointed just because I thought it would be a little bit more powerful. But I do think I have it pointed down quite a bit. So I'm going to go to a stop area pretty soon here and see if I can maybe adjust the light a little bit. There's a screw on the front. I think it's just a standard Phillips that I can use to adjust. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, sorry it's been a while since I've made a video. I've been kind of filming and I've had some problems with my camera. It kept saying the files were corrupt, even though they were, I think they were fine. When I put the memory card on my computer, it was reading them just fine. So it wasn't the memory card. And this happened to me a few times while I was riding. I literally put my SD card in the GoPro, took a few videos, and then like the fourth video or so, when I clicked the record button, it said like memory error or something. It was just a big red X. So I don't know what that's all about, but we'll see if I can get that sorted out. But it seems to be working for now. Okay, I'm currently trying to adjust the light. I have to keep the bike running because this light won't run otherwise. See. Huh. Nothing seems to really be changing. Weird. I might just try a little bit more. See if I can make it reach just a tad further. So, it's definitely a little bit nearsighted. I can't really see that far ahead of me, so I'm a little bit stumbly. I know there's a turn here, so kind of memorize this track. So I gotta say, with this light, I mean, it probably looks like absolute trash on camera, but I really can't see that much, and it's a little bit of a letdown. I'm not gonna give this product a thumbs up, but, you know, it's worth trying something. It was $10, and I think I'll keep it on my bike, just because it does work if you're out in a pinch, but man, I'm definitely gonna consider upgrading to something like Baja Designs LED light that just plugs and plays in this bike. So they're like $200, but it might be worth it if you do ever get yourself caught in the dark, because you can actually see in those things and you can get home quickly and safely. So yeah, I think if you're looking at buying this, just don't expect a whole lot. It's $10, like I said, and yeah, I may even put the stock one back in. I don't know, but those are kind of my impressions.